Now I'm going to solve the problem. Find L of 3 power t plus 4t plus 5 the whole cube. You see the first term, 3 power t. This is not included in that 8 standard functions. Okay, the Laplace transformation of 8 standard functions we learnt already. But this one is, see, it's completely different, no? So, but no need to worry. We are going to use only one property, then easily you can solve this one. You see, this property only we are going to use here. You know the relation between the exponential and logarithmic function. Okay, actually I'm not going to explain that part here, but you just learn this property by heart. Okay, you just learn this one, simply apply that here. Okay, that's all. And then this is in the form of, second term is in the form of a plus b the whole cube. So expand it by a plus b the whole cube formula. Using this identity, you just expand this one. In the first term, we are going to write it using this property. That's all. Okay. This is equal to L of e power t into log 3. E power t into log 3. Okay. This 3 power t has been written as e power t into log 3 by this property. Okay, this one I used here, and the second one, for the second one, use a plus b the whole cube. Okay, what is that? This is a and this one is b. Okay, so this is 4t the whole cube plus 3a square, 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. Okay, now this is equal to L of e power t into log 3 plus, what is 4 cube? It is 64 into t cube plus this 4, this 3 into 5 is what? It is 15. 4 square is 16. This t square plus this 4 into 3 will be what? It is 12, and this 5 square is 25 into this t plus 5 cube is what? It is 125. Now this is equal to L of, just use the linear property, e power t into log 3 plus L of 64 into t cube plus 15 into 16 is what? It is 240. L of 240 into t square plus this term 12 into 25 is 300. That is L of 300t plus L of 125. Now this is equal to L of t into this term, L of e power t into log 3 plus this one is a constant term, linear property. Now using that one, you take this constant outside, so it is 64 into L of t cube plus 240 into L of t square plus 300 into L of t plus L of 125. Okay, and now this is in the form of e power at. So use that formula, standard transformation, that is Laplace transformation of standard function property. E power at is what? 1 by s minus a. In the place of a you are having log 3, so this is s minus log 3 plus 64 into Laplace transformation of t power n. What is that? N factorial. Laplace transformation of t power n is what? It is n factorial divided by s power n plus 1. Use this one here. In the place of n we are having 3. So this is 3 factorial divided by s power 3 plus 1 plus 240 into Laplace transformation of t square. What is that? It is 2 factorial divided by s power 2 plus 1 plus 300 into, in the place of n we are having 1. So it is 1 factorial divided by s power 1 plus 1 plus, and this one I can write as 125 into L of 1, or simply you can use Laplace transformation of k concept. Okay, and this is equal to 1 divided by s minus log 3 plus, what is 3 factorial? It is 6. So 64 into 6 factorial, 3 factorial is what? 6. 64 into this is what? 384 divided by s power 4 plus this 2 factorial is what? 2. 2 into this one is what? 480 by s power 3 plus 3 factorial into, 300 into 1 factorial is what? It is 300 divided by s power 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 125 into Laplace transformation of 1 is 1 by s. That's all.